Another definition we need to know is coterminal angles. Coterminal angles are two or more, so as many angles as I want, standard position angles who share the same terminal side. So let's look at an example of that. One positive and one negative angle coterminal with 125 degrees. So if I think of having an x and y axis, and I'm going to use straight lines to help me. So if I create an x and y axis, I have something like this, 125 degrees, well, I'll start with my terminal arm, and I know that 90 degrees is here, so I go 90 and then another 35, so maybe around here would end up being 125 degrees. So I'll call theta 125 degrees. Well, I want another angle that starts here, and then ends here. So I could go around a full circle plus 125 degrees and then end here. So now we could call my purple one alpha. So alpha would be 360 plus 125. So the angle alpha is a total of 485 degrees, and it is coterminal. And then if I wanted to go negative, we'll make that one red. So again, we start here as our initial, and then we're going to go negative, so this direction. And now I have ending at the same place. So that's going to be, it's the same as doing my 360 minus 125. So we could call this red one beta. So beta is 360 minus 125. But actually, sorry, we want beta to be negative. So for beta to be negative, I would do negative 360 plus 125, going in the negative direction. So negative 360 plus 125 would bring me back to here. And that's going to give me, what is that going to give me? 235 degrees, negative 235. So more than 180, that seems to make sense. So these are all coterminal angles because they all start and end in the same position. Now if I'm going to answer part B of this question, which is to state an equation that gives all the angles coterminal with 125, well, I can see that each of these angles were 125 plus or minus 360. I can keep going around the circle as many times as I want to. So any angle, I'm going to go ahead and call my angle x. So any angle x is going to be equal to 125 plus some multiple of 360. And here my k has to be an integer. And it could be positive or negative, which is why positive or negative, so I'm not going to put a symbol. I'm just going to leave it as integers.